Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are doing the unboxing of the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. I'm extremely excited about this keyboard because number one, it's not my keyboard, but then again, my brother was cool enough to let me try out, see if I like it. And this is going to be crazy because one thing I am excited about this keyboard already is this right here, is the OmniPoint mechanical adjustable switches. So think about this if you're into cars, right? Especially sports cars, especially you're into modifying cars, which that's the type of thing I'm really into. And one thing that you really want to buy, I'm just using this as an example compared to this technology to something that you put on the car, will be like coils that you can adjust them, or even airbag suspension as well, that you could adjust on the fly. So like, it's really cool to see something like this on the keyboard because my inner gear starts going crazy. And the crazy part about it that got me really excited about it is that my brother said you could try it. And of course, I could not resist. So let's unbox this bad boy just to let you guys know. Unfortunately, it's not like the Razer Huntsman that you can remove the USB-C cable out of it. It's soldered in, unfortunately, on this keyboard, which it sucks, but there are more features. Like, I kind of like the old LED screen on it as well, that you can customize it if you want, and you can also adjust the switches on the fly as well. You don't have to use the software. Again, it is up to you. Another bonus that I like about this keyboard as well, that it comes with its own wrist rest. Come on Razer, you couldn't provide me a wrist rest? A-holes. So let's open up this bad boy. I'm gonna grab my handy dandy box cutter. I will say before we are proceeding opening up this keyboard, I will have to make an announcement about my Razer Deathadder V2 Pro. And we're gonna get to that to the end of this video, but let's continue for glory. Awesome. Oopsie. Adjust the camera. So it looks like now, okay, now I can kind of see why. Now I understand, of course, because it has two USB cables. That's why they couldn't do a TKL. Womp 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 me. So it comes with the wrist rest right there at the bottom, and also comes with a user guide. So let's get this out of the way. And that's why I think it could still be possible, but again, I'm not an electrical engineer. I'm not an expert with this. Let's see. Ooh, wow, I really ripped this shit apart. Oh, okay. Okay. So it has also has a USB right there, so you can connect anything else you want on it. Okay, so let's do a quick side-by-side comparison between the Huntsman. Let's put the Huntsman at the bottom. Let's put this, actually we put it in the bottom and then we do a side. Okay, so there's a quick, I'll move the camera around so you can see that. Okay, now the keycaps they use is ABS on this one. Sorry, wrong keyboard. On the Apex Pro. Of course, on the Huntsman they use on PTLE. No, sorry. sorry, PTE. Sorry about that. So we're gonna stop the video right here and plug this keyboard, and let's compare the lighting on it as well. So stand by, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I got the keyboard plugged in, installed the software, adjust the lighting from just red, and it's kind of nuts that this one lights up way much more better than the Huntsman. As you see, of course, I have my desk lamp on. I'll turn it off. So you see, like, this one comes back alive more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, comment, subscribe, please be safe. I'm definitely going to test out this keyboard tonight, or maybe tomorrow, depends if I have time. So let's go talk about the Razer Deathadder and the two issues I have with it. Unfortunately, I'm not going to continue even bother doing field testing videos and also not even do review, because I've been having a little bit issues of comfort. And then another issue is that these side buttons, there'll be sometimes that I will hit those side buttons by mistake, especially when it comes to a really intense fighting. And I get really upset when that happens. I can't really stand that crap. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, comment, subscribe, please be safe. And I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.